Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I did a quick run to Dollar Tree and to Tuesday morning today. And I just picked up a couple of things from Tuesday morning and the rest of the stuff I got from Dollar Tree. But let me show you these things first, and so I can get this out of the way. These are some more face masks that I picked up at Dollar Tree for my daughter and her bestie. And here they are. It's not that many, but I just want to show you guys these just in case you were interested. I am going to do a video of all my face masks over on my beauty channel, and if I remember, I'll link it in the description box below. And this thing too, this is also what I got from, this is a Dollar Tree item that is not beauty related, and it's just a light. I'm gonna put that in my cabinet at work because it's kind of dark when I open it up. Okay, the rest of this stuff, oh, it's not beauty. Here we go. Let's get these out the way too. Y'all know what these are, those toilet bowl sprays, and I got those 3. Now let's get to the crafty stuff. Okay, let's do this Tuesday morning one first because there's only 2 things. I got this die set here from Tuesday morning, and why, I don't know, I just thought it was cute and picked it up. And I got this stamp set. Y'all know I don't do a whole lot of stamping, but I thought this would be cute for my junk journal. Okay, so I got those 2 things from Tuesday morning, and the rest of these things I got from Dollar Tree. Miss Fullard, she mentioned that she couldn't find this eyelash type stuff at any of her Dollar Trees. So I went to Dollar Tree and I found some. I didn't find a lot of like more than one color, like this one right here. Think this was like, they had 2 of these, but I already had one, so I picked this one up for Miss Fullard if she wants it. I picked up this pink one for her as well. And see, like these, they only had these of these singles. They just had these single colors of these. So this pink one right here, which is a soft pink, do they have any names on them at all? I don't think they do. It just says Sparkle Yarn. And this pink right here, to me this is more of a blush. This is more like this is a pink to me. These are pinks, like this pastel pink or light pink, and then I got a really or this really pretty like deeper pink, and this one right here is more like a blush color to me. And I got this blue one right here, and let me put those over here. So Miss Fullard, if you would like those, let me know, and I can just put them in the mail to you. I picked up these 2 confetti. I don't think I had this color. I had the gold, I think, the one with the gold in it, but I don't think I had this. And I'm getting this for really these 2 right here for Christmas stuff, just in case I come up with something for Shantae's Christmas Crafting 365 2020. Yeah, that's why I got those. And these are just another few little items that I picked up. I got this bling right here, this what is it, jewel border stickers. This is the white one, or yeah, the white with the clear rhinestones on the side. Now the other one was a neutral color, like a tan. I got this brush right here to help me spread adhesives and or resin. I got this hello. I'm gonna give this to my granddaughter and ask her if she can like marble color it for me. See if she can do something with that, because I want to have that like on the desk or something whenever my videos come on. I picked up these 2 glitter glues, and I was hoping to use them on the crepe paper rosettes, but the crepe paper pulls out the liquid and then it leaves a line, like a line of demarcation where the liquid stops running. So this is not going to do for what I needed to do. I don't know what I'm going to do with those, but yeah, they're around. I actually have 2 packs of these, and I may have showed you guys these, or I just can't remember. But I got a 2-pack, one that has 8 in it and one that has 10. And I use these rings for the hardware on these this is not a purse, on my caddy here, my paper caddy, my paper craft caddy. This hardware here, these are these book rings right here. I picked up this pack of paper clips with the tassels and this pack with the pom-poms. I got this box right here because it's wider, it's leaning out to the sides, and I want to put more memory dex cards in here. And I got this. I repurchased this because I had misplaced the 7, 8, and the 9. And what I was using these numbers for, aside from this die, was to make the numbers for my planner, for my big happy planner. And of course, maybe 2 days before I got this in, no, let me quit lying. Maybe 2 days after I placed this order, I found these numbers in the same place that I had looked 500,000 times before. But it's okay, I got an extra set, so that's fine with me. Okay, and I think that is going to be it for today. Ooh, I got a massive headache, I know that. I'm going to take something and I'm going to hop in the tub and probably hop into bed. Alright guys, I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.